7 table.
7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 8 the 40, 56, 7 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70.
Okay. 9 table.
9 1 the 9, 9 2. 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27, 9 4 the 30. 9 4 the 36, 9 5, 9 5 the 45, 9 6 the 54, 9 7 the 63, 9 8 the
Yes.
9 8 the 72, 9 9 the 81, 9 10 the 90.
Very good. Arun, please can you stand near the wall and then can you tell 8 table?
Huh?
Please stand near the wall.
Please.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Now please tell 8 table.
8 1 the 8, 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 48, 8 7 the
Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes.
8 7 the 56, 8 8 the 46,
No.
so
8
6
8 is 64.
8 8 the 64, 8 9 the 8 9 the 72, 8 10 the 80.
Very good, Arun. Very good. Well done. Very good. Good job. Very good. Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adya. Adya, 6 table. Come on, start.
6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 8,
Huh?
6 2 are 8,
6 twos are 8.
6 1 are 6, 6 2 are
Adya.
2, 6 2 are 12.
Adya, just tell me one thing. Have you learned the tables?
Last ma'am.
Then why don't you know 6 table? Okay, tell me 7 table.
7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14,
Adya, please
7
stand.
3
Adya, please stand and then tell. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Now tell.
7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 24,
No. No, no, no. 7 threes are 21.
7 3 are 21, 7 4 are
Don't count, Adya. Don't count.
20, 28, 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are
7 fives are 35.
36,
35.
35,
Hmm.
7 7, 7
Adya.
6. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yesterday I told you to learn tables, right? I told everyone to learn tables. Yes or no? Yes or no, Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is this? See, if you will not learn tables, how you'll be able to solve the questions? Multiplication is all about tables. If you'll not learn tables, you won't be able to solve the questions. Then what is the use? It's been 4 days now. Repeatedly, I'm telling you all learn tables, learn tables, learn tables. Then also, I'm giving you one more day. You have to learn tables. Okay, Adya?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Sit down, please. Please sit down. Aditya Ram. Aditya Ram. Aditya.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Aditya. Camera on, please. Quickly. Yeah. Aditya, have you learned tables?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So now tell me 7 table.
7 ones are 7.
Look at the camera.
7
Oh, Aditya,
twos are 4.
Aditya, do one thing. Just please stand. Oh, please stand and then tell table. Okay. Please stand.
7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7
Look at
three.
Aditya. You should not see from your notebook.
No,
Without
don't say
looking
the
at the notebook, you have to tell. What is the use?
Please call you.
Yes, Aditya.
No.
I've
I
asked.
will learn, ma'am.
You will learn. When you will learn, I gave you 4 days. Tomorrow again I'll ask Aditya. You have to learn the tables, okay? Yeah. Dhriti Reddy. Dhriti Reddy, please unmute yourself. Dhriti
Yes,
Reddy.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhriti camera on, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Dhriti. 8 table.
8 ones are 8. 8
Look
twos
at
are
the camera. Look at the camera. And please stand, Dhriti.
8 ones are 8. 8 twos are
Dhriti,
16.
where is your camera? Yeah.
Here. 8
It's
ones are 8.
there. How is it possible?
8 ones are 8.
Hello? Teacher, she's not looking at anything. She's telling whatever she knows. She's
Okay.
probably getting confused where the camera is.
Okay. Now start.
Ikkaduna.
Yes, Dhriti, start.
8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 2. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are
56.
56. 8 eights are 63.
No. It is
8
8.
eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80.
8 8 is 64. Okay. 9 table.
9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 24.
No. 9
9
threes are
ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 9
Say it properly.
9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 9 fives are 9 45. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 30.
No.
54.
Hmm.
9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90.
Very good. 7 table.
7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70.
Okay, very good, Triti. Very good. Now, please sit. Thank you. Lohit. Lohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lohit. Yeah. 7 table.
7 10 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 4 to 28, 7 5 the 3 5 31, 7 6 the 4 to 42, 7 10 the 4 9 49, 7 8 the 5 6 56, 7 9 the 60, 63, 7 10 the 70.
Okay. 8 table.
808, 80 the 16, 80 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 4 8 48, 10 the 5 6 56, 8 8 the
64.
4 3 4 8 9 the 7 to 7, 8 9 the 7 to 72, 8 10 the 80.
Okay, good. 6 table.
6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 6 2 the 2 1 21, 6 4 the
6 to the
1 to 12, 60 the 1 at 18, 6 4 the 2 4 24, 6 5 the 4 5 46,
no 6 5s are
5 4
6 5s are 30.
5 the 36, 6 the
6 6 are
3 6 36,
yes.
7 the 4 to 42, 6 8 the 4 8 48, 6 9 the 10 to 10
54.
6 9 the 5 4 50, 6 10 the 60.
Okay. Okay, Lohit, well tried. Good, very good. Okay. Please sit down, Lohit. Ashuta? Ashuta Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashuta, yesterday did I ask you tables?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Ashuta, camera on, please. Yes, Ashuta, yeah, please stand and then tell 7 table. Please stand. Yeah, yeah. Yes, 7 table.
7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, 7 3 the 7 3 the 21, 7
No, 21. 7 3s are 21.
7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 7
28.
28, 7 5 the 7 5 the 4.
Ashuta, have you learned tables?
No, ma'am.
Sit down. Why?
Yesterday I did not learn.
This is very bad. Very bad. And this is very disappointing. I'm telling you all to learn tables, learn tables, and then also. Yes, Tanishka. Yeah, Tanishka, you were raising your hand.
Ma'am, I want to tell 8 table, ma'am.
You have learned only 8 table.
Only 9 did not come on. 8 came, ma'am.
You have learned 7 table also, 7 and 8 both. Okay, fine. Tell 8 table. Stand up. Stand up.
8 1 the 8,
Hold your hands.
8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 15, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 48, 8 7 the 56, 8 8 the 64, 8 9 the 72, 8 10 the 80.
Okay, good. 7 table.
7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 9 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70.
Okay, good, Tanishka. Please learn 9 table also. Okay, good. Sit down, please. Okay, children. I'll give you one more day. Okay. Now take out your math textbook. Open page number 8080. Page number 8080. Oh. Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Jay, sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot to ask you table. Yes, Jay. Have you learned tables?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, I forgot. Yes. Okay, Jay. Then please stand and tell me 8 table. And children, please open page number 80. Write date in classwork. Till then. Yes, Jay. Please start.
8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 48, 8 7 the 56, 8 8 the 64, 8 9 the 72, 8 10 the 80.
Very good. 9 table.
9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 80, 9 3 the 24, 9 4 the 36, 9 5 the 45, 9 6 the 54, 9 7 the 63, 9 8 the 72, 9 9 the 81, 9 10 the 90.
Good. 6 table.
6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 8 the 48, 6 9 the 54, 6 10 the 60.
Very good, Jeff. Very good. Well done. You can sit down. Thank you. Very good.
Next time.
Okay. So now children open page number 8080 of your math textbook. Write date in classwork. This is my practice time too. Page number 8080. Sorry, this is my practice time 3, not 2. Okay. Yes. Now what you have to do today, we learn how to multiply two numbers vertically, right? So two numbers are given here. These numbers are arranged vertically. And now you have to multiply these numbers and you have to find the products. Product means whenever you are multiplying two numbers, whatever answer you will get, that answer is known as the product. What I said, when you are multiplying two numbers, right? When you are multiplying two numbers and you are getting one answer, right? Whatever answer you are getting, that is known as the product. That is known as the product. Yes, Shri Hassan, you need to unmute yourself. Shri Hassan, you were raising your hand. Do you have any? Yeah, please tell.
What is the page number?
Page number 8080. Okay. So it's now you have to find the product. Product means you have to multiply the numbers and you have to find the answer. Okay. So your first question is, okay, so now how you will read this? You will read this. Two numbers are there in the first bit, 1 and 5. Tanishka, stop moving your head. Two numbers are there, 1 and 5. And you can see beside this 5, multiplication symbol is there, right? You can see that beside this 5 in your first bit, multiplication symbol is there. Shri Hassan and Shiva sit properly. right? This multiplication symbol is there. So now whatever number is there, two numbers are there, no, you can see the second number. You have to look at the second number and then you have to tell table of that number. Okay, now two numbers are there, 1 and 5, right? So which table you will recall? You will recall 5 table. Why you will recall 5 table? Because generally when two numbers are given and when we multiply two numbers, whatever is the second number, we recall table of that number. Okay, so here our second number is 5, or you can say downside your number is 5. So you will recall 5 table. So this is 5 ones are how much? How you will recall it? 5 ones are how much? So 5 ones are how much? 5 ones are 5. So you will write here 5. Okay. Yes, start writing. What I said, whatever is the down number, whatever is the second number, you have to recall table of that number. So 5, how you will read it? You will read it 5 ones are how much? So 5 ones are 5. Okay, so we'll write there 5. Z, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Z now second bit. Numbers are 3 and 5. So we will read it as 5 threes are how much? Children, you should know how to read the question. This is 5 threes are how much? So 5 threes are how much, Z?
15.
15. So children will write here 15. Very good. So we'll write here 5 and here we will write 1. Answer is 1, 5, 15. Okay. Akshaya Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshaya. Third bit. How you will read this question? Third bit. Read the question.
4 multiplied 5.
And how you will read it? This is
4 times 5.
no. You have to read it as 5 fours are how much? How you will read it?
5 fours are
Yeah. So 5 fours are
20.
yes. So 5 fours are 20, children. So we'll write here 20 20. Okay, that's correct, Akshaya. Good. Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashrita. Fourth bit. Read that question.
2 twos are
Very good. 2 twos are. So 2 twos are how much?
4.
Very good. So children, you should know how to read the question. Very good, Ashrita. 2 twos are 4. Okay. P. Shreyan. P. Shreyan. P. Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, P. Shreyan. Read question number, sorry, bit E. Fifth bit. Advaita, next is your turn.
7 twos are
No. Opposite. You,
2 sevens are
yeah, we read it as 2 sevens are how much? So 2 sevens are?
14.
Yes, 2 sevens are 14. See children, if you will say 7 twos are, then also you will get the same answer 14. If you will read it as 2 sevens are, then also you will get the same answer. Because in multiplication also, if you will change the order of numbers, you will get the same answer. Answer will not change. Like in addition, answer will not change if you will change the position of the numbers. In a similar way, in multiplication also. Advaita,
Ma'am.
fifth bit. Sixth bit. Bit F. Read the question.
What?
Bit
What?
F. Advaita, sixth bit. Please read the question quickly. Advaita, can you tell me what are the two numbers? Question. You just have to look in your book. Tell me what are the two numbers in fifth bit? Sorry, sixth bit. Bit F. Advaita, I'm noticing that you are not at all paying attention. You are not at all interested in studies. This is not the way.
Ma'am.
Yes, now tell. Advaita,
10 multiply 3.
yeah, this is 10 multiply 3. And how you will read it, Advaita? Listen carefully. 3 tens are how much? How you will read it?
3 tens are how much?
Yeah, so 3 tens are how much? Tell me the answer. 3 tens are?
30.
Yeah, so we will write here 30. Now next bit, Advaita. You have to read next question also.
What is what
Bit G. 6 and 2 are
Six
there,
mu-
right? So,
2 6 are how much?
yeah, so tell me 2 6 are? 2 6 are, tell me, recall 2 table, Advaita, and then tell 2 6 are?
12, ma'am.
Advaita, when are you going to learn the tables? Okay, Advaita. Tanishka, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your doubt?
Why we should not take up number first? Why we should take down number first, ma'am?
Generally we read it like this only. I said no, this is not wrong, but generally we read it like this. Okay. If you will say 1 5s are, then also you will get 5. If you will read it as 5 1s are, then also you will get the same answer. Okay. This will not affect your answer, but generally we read it as, we read it in this way only. Manvit. Manvit. Yes, Manvit. Bit H. H bit. Read that question. 7 5s are 35 and we read it as 5 7s are how much? So answer is correct. This is 3 5 30. 5. Okay, Manvit. AVK Ganesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, AVK Ganesh. Bit I. 9th bit.
10 multiply 6.
Okay. So how you will read this? Patan, next is your turn. Yes, AVK Ganesh, I'm waiting for your answer.
60.
Huh?
60.
How you will read this question?
10 6 are
You will read it as 6 tens are how much? So 6 tens are?
60.
6 tens are 60. Pathan, next.
8 tens are how much?
Huh?
8 tens are how much?
So 8 tens are?
How much?
Oh, tell me the answer.
8 tens are 80.
So 8 tens are 80. Very good. So we'll write here 80. 8 tens are 80. Okay. That's correct. Okay, children. So now my practice time 4, that is page number 81. Please write date and classwork on page number 81 now. 8181. In this exercise, we will be multiplying numbers with 0 and 1. With 0 and 1. Okay. Now children, remember one thing, that whenever we are multiplying any number with 0, answer will be 0. Okay. What I said, whenever we are multiplying any number with 0, we will get answer 0. Why? Because multiplication means times, or you can say multiplication is a repeated addition, right? Multiplication means how many times, or multiplication is a repeated addition. But if they are telling you, like if you will look in your book, look at your first bit, children. If you will read your first bit, that is first question, this is 6 multiplied by dash. So this is 6 times you are multiplying something, or 6 times you are adding something, right? So I am writing here only, no need to write this in your book. So this is 6 multiply means times. So 6 times, if you are adding 0, this means you are adding 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So what you will get? Ultimately you will get answer 0, because multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition, and if you will keep on adding 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, you will get answer 0. So that's why whenever you are multiplying any number with 0, you will always get 0. Okay? What I said, multiplication means times, or you can say multiplication is a repeated addition, right? But if you will keep on adding 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, you will always get answer as 0, right? So this means whenever you are multiplying 0 with any number, you will always get answer 0. Okay? Now next is, whenever you are multiplying 1 with any number, remember that you will get the same number back. So if you are multiplying 1 with 6, so this is 6 ones are how much? So 6 ones are 6, right? Now if I'll multiply 9 with 1, so 9 ones are 9. So this means whenever you will multiply 1 with any number, you will get that same number. And if you will multiply 0 with any number, you will get 0. Okay? Now first one is 6 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. What I said, whenever you will multiply any number with 0, then only you will get answer 0. So this means we are multiplying it with 0. Okay? Shreyas?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me answer for bit B. 9 multiply 1. 9 ones are?
9.
So in bit number B, we will write here answer 9. Okay. Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bit C.
Yes, ma'am.
Adya, bit C. 2 multiply 0. If you will multiply 2 with
0,
0.
ma'am.
Very good. We will get answer 0. Very good, Adya. Yes, Supratik.
Ma'am, page number, which is the page number, ma'am?
And page number 81.
Page number 81.
Yes, 81.
He's writing in the class of ma'am. He's writing in the class.
No, but I mentioned page number, ma'am.
Page number 81.
Yes, ma'am. 8181.
Textbook B.
Textbook. Dhriti Rathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth bit. Bit D. 8 multiply dash is equal to 0. With which number you should multiply 8 so that you will get answer 0?
Ma'am,
With which number you should multiply 8 so that you will get answer 0?
0, ma'am.
Yes, so if you will multiply any number with 0, you will get 0. Okay, that's correct. P. Kartika, unmute yourself. P. Kartika, quickly unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
P. Kartika, fifth bit. 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. With which number you should multiply 5 to get answer 0? She has muted herself. Shri Hassan. Shri Hassan, fifth bit. 5 multiplied by which number?
0.
Very good. If you will multiply 5 with 0, you will get answer 0. Shrivas, F bit. Sixth bit.
Ma'am.
Bit
2, ma'am.
2. Very good. If you will multiply 2 with 1, you will get answer 2. This is 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now next. Bilvika. Bilvika.
Ma'am.
Bit G. 7 multiply 1. 7 ones are?
7.
7 ones are 7. Okay, very good. We'll write here 7. That's correct. Devansh. Devansh.
Ma'am is in the washroom, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. Hanvika.
Ma'am.
Yeah. H bit. 3 multiply by which number? Should multiply 3 by which number? Yeah. Very good. So if we'll multiply 3 by 1.